first grade friends, we have been talking about shapes, and today we're going to talk about how to partition a shape. Do you know how to partition a shape or what partitioning means?
That's a really hard word, first of all. But I think, is it when you take shapes and you have to split them or divide them into different pieces?
You're right. So partitioning means that you're dividing it or splitting a shape into equal parts. And we're going to talk about what equal parts mean. So I wanted to show you, I have here a circle. This circle is representing a cookie, and I've divided it into two equal parts. Equal parts means they're the exact same. Have you ever had a time where you had to divide something? You maybe had to divide something when you had to share. And that's called partitioning. You're going to split it into two parts so that you can have a piece and I can have a piece. So equal is important. If I split this cookie in two pieces, we're each going to want the same amount of cookie, aren't we? What about your cookie?
Now, when I first tried this today, I tried to split my cookie in two equal pieces, but I don't think mine turned out equal.
Yeah.
So either I get this big piece and you get this little piece, or I could be nice and you could have the big one and I could have the small one. But then when I looked at yours, I thought, yours is probably a better cookie that partitioned into two equal parts. So maybe I don't want to use my cookie because these are not equal.
Okay. So we're going to show you another way to divide something into equal parts, not just two equal parts, but four equal parts.
So we got to thinking about the cookie kind of made me think about eating, and then eating made me think about being in the kitchen. And then I started to think, well, there's a lot of things that I could partition to share with my friends or my family. And I thought about a graham cracker. So I made this big graham cracker to show you. Graham crackers are really cool for partitioning their shapes because it's a rectangle. But guess what? They already have lines to tell me where to make my equal parts. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts on my graham cracker cookie. So if I were going to partition it, I went ahead and brought some scissors with me today. I'm going to cut those right down the line. Now with a real graham cracker, you wouldn't cut it. You would just break that in pieces. But right now, if I cut up the middle, I have 2 equal parts. So right now we each have 1 piece. But guess what? I still see another spot that I could partition this and make it into another separate piece. So if I'm going to cut again or break my cookie, now I have 2 pieces. Would you like 2 pieces also? All right. So now with our 1 rectangle graham cracker, we have 4 equal parts. They're exactly the same size. Look at that. So this worked out even better than the cookie because now instead of 2 pieces we have, or 2 pieces total, we have 4 pieces total.
All right. Can you think of a time that you've had to share? Maybe you've had to share a cookie. Maybe you've had to share a graham cracker. Or maybe you had to share a pizza. So now we want you to think of a way that you can partition things in your home to share with someone.
All right. Happy sharing.